When safeguarding your home against water damage, few elements are as crucial as your gutters. They are vital in directing water away from your home's foundation, walls and roof. However, gutters can encounter issues over time, including disconnections between the sections. At RedClean, we specialise in gutter cleaning, ensuring your channels are free from debris and flowing efficiently. In this comprehensive guide, we'll discuss the importance of gutter maintenance and how hiring a professional company like RedClean can help reconnect gutters that have come apart. It's crucial to note that while RedClean specialises in cleaning gutters, we do not perform major repairs or fixes. We can, however, assist in the reattachment of sections that need to be reclipped. Gutter sections can come apart for various reasons. Ageing and wear. Over time, the materials in gutters may degrade and the connectors may weaken or rust, causing sections to separate. Debris build-up. Accumulating leaves, twigs and debris can cause stress to the gutter sections, causing them to disconnect. Weather damage. Severe weather conditions such as heavy rainfall, strong winds or snow can strain the gutter connections. Poor installation. In some cases, gutters may not have been installed correctly, leading to disconnections. The importance of gutter maintenance. Proper gutter maintenance is essential to prevent water damage and ensure the longevity of your home. They can't function effectively when gutters collapse or become clogged with debris. This can lead to various issues. Water damage. Clogged or disconnected gutters can cause water to overflow, potentially damaging your roof, walls and foundation. Pest infestations. Stagnant water in clogged gutters becomes an ideal breeding ground for pests like mosquitoes and birds. Mould and mildew. Excess moisture from overflowing gutters can lead to mould and mildew growth, posing health risks. Structural damage. Neglected gutters can compromise the structural integrity of your home over time. Reconnecting gutters, the professional approach. While some homeowners may attempt to reconnect gutters themselves, there are several advantages to hiring a professional company like RedClean for this task. Expertise. RedClean's technicians are highly trained and experienced in working with gutters. We know the intricacies of a gutter system and can quickly assess the situation. Safety. Working at heights can be hazardous, mainly if you're not accustomed to it. RedClean prioritises safety, ensuring our technicians have the right tools and training. Proper assessment. We will carefully inspect your gutters to determine the cause of the disconnection. We can reattach them if it's a simple matter of sections coming apart. Preventative maintenance. RedClean's primary focus is on maintaining your gutters to prevent issues like disconnections in the first place. Regular cleaning can extend the life of your gutters and reduce the likelihood of problems. Comprehensive service. While we don't perform major repairs, our technicians can guide us on any potential issues that they identify during the cleaning process. This can help you address problems early, saving you time and money in the long run. When to seek professional help. If you need clarification on reconnecting gutters or encounter significant issues, it's best to seek professional help and assistance from a trusted company like RedClean. Here are some situations where expertise can make a difference. Extensive damage. If your gutters are extensively damaged, corrupted or bent and out of shape, it's best to consult a professional for an assessment and potential replacement. Improper slope. A professional must inspect and adjust if your gutters do not slope correctly, leading to poor water drainage. Safety concerns. If you're uncomfortable working at heights or lack the necessary equipment, hiring a professional to reconnect your gutters is safer. At RedClean, we understand the importance of maintaining clean and functional gutters. While we don't perform significant gutter repairs or fixes, our team of experts can assist you in reattaching sections that have come apart after we've cleaned them. Our primary focus is preventative maintenance, ensuring your gutters remain in optimal condition to protect your home from water damage. Reconnecting gutters that have come apart is a task that requires careful assessment and expertise. Hiring a professional company like RedClean can ensure the job is done correctly and safely. Don't wait until water damage becomes a costly problem. Contact RedClean today to schedule your gutter cleaning service and receive expert guidance on maintaining your gutter system.